Unloading kennels this morning. That was a close call. Shifted a little bit on me. I think I need a little fluid in the tires. What do you think? Anyway, lots of kennels in stock. Trying to keep them all inventoried. Here's a shot of my warehouse. Dog houses, various sizes. Lots of truck boxes, 3-hole. We got a new product here to show you. We've been making this here for quite some time for the small dogs, beagles and whatnot. This is designed for a coon hound or a much larger dog. This is the whelping rail. Easy in and out. Heating pad with built-in thermostat housing. This is where all that goes. Let me know if I can help you in any way. Also, we have stainless flap door option. Lots of products here. Still shipping the stainless feeders. WalnutCreekKennels.com. I'm still alive, so we're still shipping.